pushing this button and the button. Letting God across, showing you your starting point. And then from there, letting Him lead you into the different spots of where He's taking you, where you need to go. Be like leading points left to right, not to and fro, not back and forth, not know if you're coming or going, but basically let Him show you the spots that are gonna light up right now in your life. Show you where you need to go, positioning like a map, basically. And He'll map it all out. He'll show you the map. Button for the road map right now. And you will see the spots on this map that are going to light up and show you where you need to go. Now, as far as how I'll go about doing it, it's a little thing you'll figure out slowly but surely. But getting there, I'll show you the spots. He's not going to actually show you exactly immediately where you're going to end up, but He's going to show you the spots. Go here, do that, here, there, spots on this map. You imagine you're unfolding the map, you're loosening it, you're taking off the roads, whatever else, and then you're seeing these dots light up. It's funny, it's like Dora the Explorer. It's like you have that map, seeing the map, and then once the map is open, you see the buttons, you see where it's highlighted, you see the dots light up right before your eyes. Go here, you have this, A, B, C, D. Getting there, slowly but surely get there. You don't know that all the way, but you for sure you know that's where you gotta go. I have to go here, I gotta go Brazil, I gotta go to Taiwan, I gotta go to New York, I gotta go to the back door, I gotta go friend's house, talk to this person, pray here, do this, so on and so forth. It's like a map of meaning. It makes me think of Peterson's book, Maps of Meaning. The highlighted parts, highlight position, the dots, the curves, or all that. So, mapping out your life pretty much. Mapping out what you need to do. And this also could fall into His voice as well. But without a vision, the people perish. He will display the map. He will display the lights going off. He will display these things. So, God bless. Amen. Fire nice. Godspeed.